one.
Comrades, know the history, feel the victory. Time go. People, know the history, feel the victory. Time go. Comrades, know.
As we can all appreciate, the Speaker is not in the House at this time.
Don't tell the member the Speaker didn't get a chance to look at it. That's not unacceptable. Totally unacceptable. And we should bring the House to that level to come with this nonsense. If a member submit his or her question 24 hours before, it's no business of the member whether the Speaker look at it or not. It's supposed to be with it before the sitting. It can be 10 minutes before. It can be 10 minutes before. Okay? So if the Speaker says 24 hours, the member make them available to the clerk before. Okay? If the member deliver to the clerk 24 hours before, it's that member's fault. So we can't say the Speaker didn't have the time to look at them. Why the hell did you ask for the 24 hours before? It's not the member's fault. The Speaker took 24 hours. The member filled his or her obligation. So it's not our business whether or not the Speaker look at it. It's our obligation to review it before. So don't tell the member this time. Don't tell the member. Don't tell the member the Speaker didn't get a chance to look at it. That's not unacceptable. Totally unacceptable. And we should bring the House to that level to come with this nonsense about they get a chance to read it. Nonsense.
You, Natalie, the child predator, come to the front of the class. Natalie, first and foremost, which part of you are maroon? You do not know maroon. You make maroon shame because maroon do not have a child predator. Maroon do not have a bad record, a person that charged for first degree sexual abuse of a child, a little girl. Remember the little girl that you, Natalie, that you finger and you pee-pee in her vagina? Natalie Scott, come here. Remember, Natalie, I, Derval Maroon, post that report about you, Natalie Scott. Yeah? And the report is not false. The report is real and truth and stamp. So Natalie Scott, you can't come about nobody and talk about the sex about nobody. Pick the bean out your eye if you talk about people, Natalie Scott. Pick the bean out your eye if you talk about people. Natalie, me see a post and I make post and I talk about this and talk about that. Why making a post yourself? Why making a post yourself and post your report? Your first degree sexual report with a child. First degree sexual report with a child. Remember, I have it. I have the report. I remember, I have your file, Natalie Scott. So Natalie Scott, when you are post and I go with yourself, you never know some of your file, Natalie Scott. Natalie Scott, I going to repost back the sexual report about you. Remember, me leak it. Me, Derva Maroon, leak it. Natalie Scott, pick the bean out of your eye before you talk about people because you is a big predator. You is a big predator. You pee into a child vagina. You finger a child. You assault a child. Why you can't come back to Jamaica? Tell the world. You have a TikTok page. You have a YouTube. Click your live. Go to your YouTube and tell the world about yourself before you talk about people. What you want to do? You want we, the PMP blogger, lose focus and focus on locus? No, we're not focused on locus. We are focused full speed ahead. Since you want to be attention, we're going to draw you up to the front of the class. Natalie Scott. Tell the world about your sexual report with the child that you pee-pee in the child vagina and you finger the child and you jump the case and gone foreign. Tell them the reason why you can't come back to Jamaica. Natalie Scott, if you come to Jamaica, remember the handcuff is at the airport waiting on you. You could have got St. Mary Airport. You could have got Samson Airport. You could have got Nama Manley Airport. The handcuff is there waiting on you, Natalie Scott. Yes, the handcuff is there waiting on you. And Natalie Scott, beware of ICE too. Because ICE will wait for you too. You understand? Because when time me don't post this report here, I'm going to tag over tag and send an email and inbox over inbox. Natalie Scott, member, you must get catch before the year end. Remember, I'm telling Natalie Scott, you don't know who you play with. You play fire, girl. You are play with fire and you'll get burned. You play fire and you'll get burned. You hear them say? Fire there must stay, take a cool breeze, and you do that. Fire is at your tail, Natalie. You take a cool breeze, you are doing too much, and spread too much propaganda, and spread too much lie, and too much false allegation, and you don't have no proof to back it. Anything me talk, Natalie, anything me, Dervan Maroon talk, I got proof, and I got back it, and I got things to back it up. So Natalie Scott, now go wheel out the proof and evidence about your sexual report with the child, that the peeping in the child hole. You're peeping in the child vagina. You are a wicked, dirty, son of a bitch, Natalie Scott. Talk about yourself, we talk about people. Talk about yourself, Natalie Scott.
Corruption remains a scourge on national development. The siphoning off of funds and depriving our people of resources for investments in better schools, hospitals, roads and other infrastructure. It affects everybody in a very real way in their daily lives. Corruption diverts resources from intended purposes and therefore reduces such investments.